Sometimes you don't need a lot of colors, you just need the right ones. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm going to be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using only two colors, primary red and gold. This pour is all about simplicity, movement, and letting the paint do what it does best. One of the things I really love about this pour is how simple it is. And that's the point. If you're just starting out, try working with only two colors and see what happens. You don't have to do the most to create something meaningful. Sometimes keeping it simple is exactly what allows you to learn, experiment, and build confidence. Simple pours can become the catalyst for bigger ideas and growth in acrylic pouring. So don't feel pressured. Let the process meet you where you are. And for those who might think this looks too simple, remember simplicity doesn't mean easy. I still have to mix the paint, balance the consistency, and understand how these colors will work together. That takes practice and intention. Knowing how to mix paint properly is a talent in itself, and it's a big part of what makes a pour work. I applied the paint directly to the canvas, then tilted it to help the colors stretch and interact. I used a blow dryer to guide the movement, soften the edges, and create an abstract design that feels fluid and balanced. I love working with unlimited palette because it forces you to focus on flow and composition instead of color choices. Red brings intensity and emotion while gold adds warmth, shimmer, and a sense of richness. Together, they're bold, timeless, and always beautiful. Gold is one of those colors that consistently elevates a painting. Metallic pigments reflect light differently than standard acrylics, which is why gold adds contrast and dimension even in a simple two-color pour. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it enhances the movement. As the paint started to move, the gold really came alive. The shimmer caught the light, the red held its strength, and the design opened up effortlessly. This is one of those moments where you realize less really can be more. And here's the final result: gold, red, radiant gold, and a design that feels strong, clean, and intentional. Gold never disappoints. If you enjoyed this pour, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.